Learn English. Hello! Do you and your family want to learn English? We can help you. We teach English here every day with word games. The category today is top level nouns for level 3 students. These are the most difficult words in our program. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. This one is similar to under these conditions. Circumstances. We usually use this one with the S in the plural form. They had to take their new car back to the car dealership where they bought it because it had this is when a new product has a problem, so you can't use it for some reason. A defect. It had a defect. There is some on the paper. What do you call the blue stuff? The stuff that's inside the pen. The first letter is an I, and the last letter is a K. Ink. There is some ink on the paper. Her new ideas will increase our firm's chances of making money. Profitability. The ability to make a profit. Jennifer has for organizing parties. This is like a special skill, a special ability. And both of the missing letters are the same letter. A knack. The first K is silent. We don't pronounce it. Jennifer has a knack for organizing parties. Our company wants to purchase the other company. Our company will make to buy that other company. Bid. To make a bid is similar to make an offer. She's been holding against him for 10 years. This means 10 years ago, he did something bad to her, and she hasn't forgiven him. A grudge. We have two ways to use this one. To have a grudge against somebody, to hold a grudge against somebody. The wedding cake has 3. This word is similar to layers, but not quite. And the second letter is an I. Tiers. 3 tiers. Also in a sports stadium where the people sit, we call those tiers. Her parents work in this involves airplanes and other aircraft. Aviation. Her parents work in the aviation industry. This word is very difficult. Please check your dictionary and read the whole entry. Sometimes they listen to soul music. Soul. Please check your dictionaries. Bye-bye.